What is AI? In this quick session, we will try to answer this question and clear the misconceptions around AI. Today, we see AI in a lot of software and internet applications. However, AI is cutting its way into other industries like retail, automotive, manufacturing, and soon we will see it in every industry we know. According to Mackinsey Global Institute, AI will create a 13 trillion value by 2030. We have two types of AI. The first is artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. And this represents most of the applications that we see today, like optical character recognitions, like speech to text and text to speech, self-driving cars, digital marketing applications, and many similar applications. This type of AI could be seen simple, maybe, like for a certain input, the software or the machine will give us a certain output. However, it comes with great value in eliminating repetitive tasks and doing the application or executing the application in a more accurate and reliable way. The other type of artificial intelligence is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. And the goal of AGI is to develop a machine or a software that can mimic a human behavior or improve on it. This is very interesting, but we are still so far from developing AGI applications, maybe 100 or 1,000 years behind developing AGI applications. All the AI applications that we see today, as I said, are coming from ANI, or artificial narrow intelligence. AI requires data and tools to generate intelligence from these data. In the next sessions, I will be talking about the structured data that we use in AI and the tools like machine learning and deep learning that are used in AI. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in future sessions.